Yo, what is good, y'all? I'm back, baby. I go by the name KingCordae, your main man with the game plan, and I am back on YouTube, man. I know it's been a minute. I took over a month off on YouTube because I had to get a lot of things in order, man. As you can see from the crystal clear quality, I got a 4K camera now, man. I got the lighting set up. You know, everything is better now. Everything is better now. I got my things in order, and now I can deliver you guys quality content. So to catch you up to speed, or if you haven't been following me on social media, I've started a segment on Instagram on IGTV called Cordae's Closets, and that's why I just did little quick videos, you know, of me doing unboxings, sneaker unboxings, and doing other things. But you know, since this is YouTube and we upload longer videos on YouTube, I wanted to bring you guys an in-depth video today of some of my latest pickups. As you can see behind me, got two big bags from the good folks at BoohooMAN, and I'm going to do a outfit concepts video for y'all today, man. I'm super excited because I've been wanting to do this for a long time. If y'all know me, y'all know that I love fashion, and I'm very adamant about finding things that big boys can wear, because you know, as you can see, I am a big boy myself, so it is hard to find stylish clothes for big boys. But I found some things, man. I'm gonna go ahead and review them for y'all. I'm gonna give you some looks, some different fall looks, you know, hit you with a couple different outfits, a couple different concepts. If y'all like it, man, rock out with me. Let me know in the comment section below, and let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, so I cheated a little bit doing this video because I cracked the bags open already. I was super excited to get my packages in. I've been waiting on them for a while now, and I cracked them open beforehand because I wanted to see how, you know, my pieces was hitting. I wanted to see how everything was looking, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple bags, pull some things out, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on. As you can see, big bags from BoohooMAN.com. One thing I already cracked open because I was super excited to get. Finally got a denim jacket, y'all. Finally got a denim jacket. I've been wanting a denim jacket for quite some time now. You know, it's all over black cotton denim jacket. And it also has stretchy fabric. So that's one of the best things. If you're a big guy like myself and you want comfortable fitting clothes, you have to find clothes that have stretchy fabric. That is a must, because you want to feel comfortable but you want to look good at the same time. So here is a standard black denim jacket. I'll throw this on for you guys so you can see how it looks. We also have some plaid jackets as well, because as you guys know, it is the fall time of dog. I wanted to get you guys some fall looks, some things that you could wear for the fall season. Here is a nice and thick plaid shirt, plaid jacket. It really fits more like a jacket because, as you can see, the material is super thick. Also, it has nice little details on it. I don't know if you could tell. It has red paint speckle on it. This is a black and white plaid shirt, plaid jacket. And the thing is that I bought them oversized because, you know, when you buy clothes and then you wash them, they happen to shrink. So I bought them one size larger than my normal size so that when I do throw it in the washer, it doesn't shrink on me and doesn't end up looking like a second skin on me. I have another plaid jacket right here. My garbage about to be full today. As you guys can see, I don't even know where to start. This is another plaid shirt. I call it a plaid jacket. One thing that's super cool about this, it also has paint splatter on this one as well. This is a green multicolored plaid shirt, plaid jacket. Also oversized as well. Really like the way this looks. Definitely gonna be able to get some fits off with this. And I also have a few t-shirts as well. This jacket that I am wearing was one of my pickups from this package, but I decided to throw it on for today's video. And here we have a t-shirt. I think it's a cool t-shirt with a nice graphic in the middle. And lastly, from this package, we have another graphic tee. This one is super cool. And this is a collaboration from BoohooMAN with Burna Boy. And it also has some graphics on the back. It says, "We are all different, but still the same." I think that is a super cool quote. That's gonna do it for this bag. Let's go ahead and get into the next bag. All right, so right here is the big boy. This is the big package. And we got a couple different looks in this package. We have some joggers with side stripes, the BoohooMAN print next to the pocket. Super comfy. It is definitely cozy weather, so make sure you guys grab some joggers, grab some cozy fits. Another pair of joggers, this time with a red side stripe. Once again, BoohooMAN next to the pocket. And I have another pair of joggers. This time these are a white pair of joggers with black side stripes. And this one it says "Man Official" next to the pocket. Have a washed denim jacket right here. And we have one last item. Here is a all over white denim jacket. You probably won't see me wear this too much because I'm super iffy when it comes to all white clothing, but I definitely will throw this on for today's video for you guys' viewing pleasure. Now, if you've never shopped with BoohooMAN before, let me tell you a little bit about BoohooMAN. When you shop with BoohooMAN, make sure that you buy at least a size up from your typical sizing, because BoohooMAN has more of a European fit, meaning that their sizes are one size smaller than the standard American fit. So if you wear a 2X in a shirt, then I would advise you to buy a 3X shirt. If you wear, well, with the pants, with the waist, I would probably say stick true to size, because most of the pants that they have on BoohooMAN are pretty stretchy. They are made with stretchy fabric. But with joggers, if you wear a size 3X in joggers, I would say buy a size 4X, so on and so forth. Now, let's go ahead and put these fits on, man. Let's experiment a little bit, try on different things, and see what we like and what we don't like. Let's get it. Alright y'all, welcome back. Man, there was a lot of outfits to try on, a lot of shoes, a lot of clothes, but it was worth it for this outfit concepts video, man. As you can see behind me, got shoe boxes all over the place. Got clothes everywhere, man. I got a lot to clean up, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out y'all hair, man. Thank you so much to everybody that watched this video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, leave a like on this video, man. Let's try and get this video to 200 likes if we can. I would appreciate that so much. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite outfit was of all the things that I tried on today. Make sure you also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you can be the first to see whenever I upload a brand new video. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for getting my last YouTube video to almost 1,500 views, man. I appreciate that so much. I never expected that at all. You guys have been going crazy for me, even though I haven't been on YouTube in over a month now. I've been trying to get all my things set up together. I got a brand new setup, got new lighting equipment, got a new camera, obviously. You know, I've been working hard. I've also been practicing on my craft over on Instagram. I started up a brand new series called KingCordae's Closet. It's exclusive to Instagram on IGTV. I do short videos there, you know, sneaker unboxings, any new pickups that I might have, like any new clothing pickups and accessory pickups, things like that, so on and so forth. But that's strictly for short videos. Here on YouTube is where I do my longer videos. But make sure you guys stay tuned, man. I have lots and lots of more content planned for you guys. I got something special coming later on in the week. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Super excited. Something I've been looking forward to for a very long time. Also got brand new pickup right here, man. Haven't even unboxed it yet. It's still in the box. I think I'll do a unboxing video over on my Instagram page. Maybe I might even do the unboxing video on my YouTube page. But thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I am KingCordae. This is my YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and get out your hair. I got so much stuff to clean up. I basically rearranged my whole closet, took out most of my shoes for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get started cleaning up, get editing on this video. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I am out. Peace, y'all.